Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest. I am Arshia. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make a scatter plot in Excel. It is useful if you want to make a visual representation of a relationship between two separate sets of data. So let's begin. In Excel, there are certain kinds of charts available to usually display collected data. In previous video, I taught you how to use line graph or a bar chart. Here I will be show you how to prepare a scatter plot which will be used to show the relationship between cost and profit. So before starting, it is essential to point out a couple of important details. The scatter plot standardly works with number. The x and y axis will consist of numeric data only. So this is the table I am working on it, including numeric values. Because when you simply select two columns with values to be used in the plot, the column on the left will appear on the horizontal x-axis and the column on the right will be displayed on the vertical. And here I will select the values to be used in the chart. We can insert the scatter plot in an easiest way. So first of all, go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, click the option Scatter. Here we will get various type of scatter, but I am using here simple scatter. And this is the scatter plot, and insert within the area of the sheet the values from the column on the left, cost area on the x-axis, and the data from the column on the right, profit, show on the y-axis, and the points where the values for the cost and profit intersect on the x and y-axis. Example, this point here shows the cost profit for the product Samsung, where the cost value is 12,000. And usually the scatter plot is great for the visual representation of a relationship between any set of data and how we can modify the plot to achieve the result we need. The position of chart in the sheet can easily adjusted by clicking anywhere in the chart. And to change the size of the chart, click on the corner of the chart and adjust in your way. And if you click on the chart title, you can change chart name to any text you want. Example, I am maintaining here cost profit relation. And if you need to add suitable color or chart style, click on the empty space in the chart area again. Go to the design tab and change the color. And then select chart layout, select here whichever you need. There are certain kinds of layouts are there. So I am selecting this one. Then next thing. And the plot is dynamic, which means when you want to edit any value within the data table, it gets changed automatically. Let's say I will take the value 12,000 for the product Samsung and rewrite it to 15,000. Instead, you can see the position of the point for the product Samsung plot changed to. And this is the easiest way to create scatter plot. This is all for today. In upcoming video, I'll be teach you few more interesting topic in Excel. I hope you like this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.